National Agency for Food and Drug Administration and Control (NAFDAC) don warn Naija pipo say bleaching cream for body go fit affect the kidney and even damage the nervous system kpakpa. The agency talk this one for one-day media sensitization workshop wey shele for Port Harcourt. Director General of the agency, Professor Mojisola Adeyeye, wey talk for the program, come say bleaching cream don dey threaten we nation Naija and come call for emergency response. The talk person wey represent the Director General, wey be Chemical Evaluation and Research person Patrick Omokpaola, come talk say the agency go put rules and regulations for ground wey go stop the use of bleaching creams.
Statistics has shown that the menace of bleaching cream in Nigeria has become a national health emergency that requires a multifaceted regulatory approach. Part of the multi-pronged approach are consultative sensitization meetings such as the one we are having today. And then other ones are heightened rates on distribution outlets. NAFDAC will also take some other regulatory actions with respect to stemming the tide of the use, especially the harmful ones, the use of cosmetics and bleaching creams that are very harmful and injurious to health.
Now, what are the challenges we are having? The challenge is that online proliferation of those products. Today, people sit in the comfort of their homes, they go on the internet, and they see before and after picture of someone, and they see the product behind it, and they see the contact of the person who is producing this. You don't know where it is produced, they don't know what it has been concocted, they don't know what are the ingredients in those products. They make their order online, they pay online, the dispatch rider dispatches and brings to them, and they begin to use it. And then you found that in 2-3 days, this person's complexion is already lightning, which is also a red flag for me. But those people will not stop, and they'll continue to use them until they begin to see some of the adverse events of this product. Some of these agents is actually premature aging of the skin, which is why I feel it is actually criminal to begin to use this product on children, because you're exposing their skin to premature aging. Again, it can also cause nervous system damage, right? Like the mercury and mercurate compounds, they cause nervous system and kidney problems. It can also cause some exogenous onchronosis, which we all see all around.
From TMC TV studio, A. Carter, J. Selin reporting.